Hello everyone, this is an American English Academy video. Today we're going to be looking at pronouns. This is going to be part 1 of the video. Remember, I'm Mr. Kenneth Varela, and you could always find us at our webpage, YouTube channel, and Facebook. Subject and object pronouns. We're going to be taking a look at the difference between these two. For starters, we're going to learn how and when to use I or me, they or them, we or us, he or him, besides many other pronouns. Subject pronouns. We're going to start with subject pronouns, and we will say that a subject pronoun is a pronoun that is found in the subject part of the sentence, which means it's going to be before the main verb in a sentence. The subject pronoun substitutes the noun, and it's the doer of the action, the performer of the action, is the one that shows the action that the verb represents. Subject pronouns. Examples. Here we say, Chiara likes books. She loves them so much. Chiara is a proper noun, okay, which is substituted by she, which is a subject pronoun. There are many things that we need to know, but the most important thing is to understand that when we talk about subject pronouns, we're talking about the nominative case of a pronoun. It is used as the subject of the sentence, and it's always found before the main verb in the sentence. And these are some examples. Okay, we divide these pronouns, she, he, I, you, it, we, and they into two different categories. We say that some of them are singular and some of them are plural. As singular pronouns, we have I, you, he, she, and it, and plural are we, you, and they. We need to memorize this. We need to remember this for further exercise. Let's find the subject pronouns in these sentences. Chiara Brooks writes poems about everyday life. She is very famous. The subject pronoun in this sentence is the word she. She was born in Kansas, but she grew up in Chicago. The subject pronoun is she. In 1949, she wrote a poetry collection called Annie Allen. The subject pronoun in this sentence is the word she. I have read the book and the poems fascinate me. The subject pronoun in this example is the word I. And if you pay attention, all of them are before the main verb in the sentence. Object pronouns. They have a different form. Okay? Object pronouns belong to the objective case. This means that we're going to find the object pronouns after the main verb or after a preposition in the predicate part of the sentence. These are the object pronouns. If you pay close attention, they are different from the object pronouns with the exception of you and it. An object pronoun is a pronoun in the objective case of a verb or a preposition, which means that you're going to find it after the main verb or after a preposition that is in the predicate part of the sentence. Different from the subject pronouns, the object pronouns are the receiver of the action. They receive the action from the subject. This means two important things. It is in the predicate part of the sentence, as I mentioned before. And it's either the object of a preposition or the direct object of the sentence. Either way, they will be after the main verb in your sentence. Object pronouns. Example. Making popcorn amuses Olivia. The popcorn flying everywhere amuses her. The object pronoun in this sentence is her, which substitutes the word Olivia. Here are the examples, how we divide them into singular and plural. For singular, we have me, you, him, her, it, and for plural, we have us, you, and them. You need to memorize them. If you compare this chart with the one of subject pronouns, you're going to notice a difference. And also, some of them might be pretty much the same. But their function into the sentence is different, even though they look similar. Let's find the object pronouns in the following sentences. The sound of jazz and blues is important to her. The object pronoun is her. The poet Langston Hughes gave her literary advice. The object pronoun is her. Brooks taught poetry to students. She was a role model to them. The object pronoun is them. Brooks' poems fascinated me. The object pronoun in this sentence is me. As you can see, every case of object pronouns is always after the main verb or in the predicate part of the sentence. Here we have some other examples. We can follow a simple rule, a simple formula. Subject pronoun, verb, and complement. She is the subject, is the verb, and then the rest of the sentence. What we care about right now is where we find the subject pronoun, which is going to always be before the main verb. He gets up early every day. He is the subject pronoun. We go to the gym club together. We is the subject pronoun, and it's always before the main verb. They speak English in the US. They is the subject pronoun. On the other hand, we have examples of object pronouns, and we will follow a formula as well. Subject, verb, and then the object pronoun, plus the complement of the sentence. Bob took her to work Monday. Her is the object pronoun, which is right after the verb took. Will you please tell them to come in? This is a question, and that's why the sentence has a different composition, okay? But we will say that you is the subject, will tell is the verb, and them is the object pronoun. He told you a lie about where he was on Saturday. He is the subject, told is the verb, you is the object pronoun. Our grandparents gave us candy and our teeth are just fine. Our grandparents is the subject, gave is the verb, and us is the object pronoun. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back again in another American English Academy video.